Now here we're starting out with a square brush. It's fairly big, wide, 3/4 inch wide actually, and some water, and we're just getting this whole heart to be covered with our base color. It's a nice bright pink. Now with a round shaped brush, we're going to paint pure red on the side. It's metallic bright red, and it has a bit of a shimmer. Now the deeper the colors are on the edge, it gives it roundness and shape. So we're going to take that all the way around. Now I'm still using pretty much water too on my brush. As I work towards the center, it's getting lighter and lighter. So if you have to add more water to get it lighter, go ahead. So it's kind of a watercolor technique, even though this is acrylic paint. I let that dry a little bit first. And when it dried, it kind of soaked into the paper a bit, so I'm reapplying this. Same idea, darker on the edge, making it lighter as you go, and just make it lighter by adding some more water. This is why you have to use a very heavyweight paper, because if your paper is thinner, it would be really crinkled up, and this holds its shape pretty well. So a heavyweight cold press paper is what I used. Now I added a little pink to this too. So not just the water to make it lighter, but the pink that we originally put down. Now we can really see the shading scale technique here. And we're gonna blend the pink and the red together. Then I can add some depth around the edge again. It's a lot of layering. But the more you layer, I think the more realistic something looks sometimes. I'm making that darker in the center, in between the two lumps, on purpose. Let's reinforce that center. And now we add some highlights. Some of these we will leave bright white, and some will blend out a little bit. Makes it look too like it's made out of plastic that's catching the light. Final step. We'll keep some of this pure red in certain areas. That helps it really pop now. And I decided the center part needed to be just a little lighter, so I am doing this again. Just the center part. And then again, blending it out. You could simplify it. You don't have to blend it as many times as I did.